In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off password when downloading apps on App Store. If you're tired of typing a password or waiting on Face ID every time you grab a free app, this quick walkthrough will show you how to change the right settings in a couple of places so downloads are faster and simpler. Start in the Settings app, open Screen Time, then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If you see that content and privacy restrictions are turned off, you can move on to Apple ID settings in a moment. If they're on, tap iTunes and App Store purchases. You may be asked for your screen time passcode here. Next, open password settings and change require password to don't require. This switch removes any extra password prompts that screen time might be enforcing on your device, especially useful if a previous restriction was causing repeated requests even for free apps. Now go back to the main settings screen and open your Apple ID at the top. Choose Media and Purchases, then Password Settings. Turn off Require Password. You may be asked to confirm with your Apple ID password once, and that's normal. This setting controls whether the App Store asks for a password when you download free content. It's separate from purchase authentication, so if you buy paid apps or make in-app purchases, those can still require a password or Face ID depending on what you prefer elsewhere. If you also want to stop Face ID from being used for App Store approvals, head back to Settings and open Face ID and passcode. Enter your device passcode, then under Use Face ID for turn off iTunes and App Store. This prevents Face ID from being triggered when you download or purchase through the store. Keep in mind, disabling this makes downloads quicker, but it also lowers the security barrier for purchases. So decide based on your comfort level. Let's test it. Open the App Store and try downloading a free app, for example, a popular streaming app. Tap Get, then Install. You should no longer be asked for a password, Face ID, or Touch ID. If you still see a prompt, double check both the screen time setting and the password settings under Media and Purchases, and make sure your device isn't managed with additional restrictions. And that's it. You've successfully turned off password and Face ID requirements for App Store downloads. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, practical tips for getting the most out of the App Store and your device.